Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy. I'm a makeup artist and this is a most requested video from my Instagram account, the best one and done eyeshadows for mature eyes. So go ahead and grab those eyeshadow palettes. Let's find the perfect color and the right texture of eyeshadow so we can do a one and done look. I'm going to give you a pro tip, and that is to use a color wheel, find the color of your eyes, go straight across and find a shadow that's straight across from there, and this is going to be perfect for green eyes. Then if you have blue eyes, do the same thing, go straight across, find that shadow that is going to complement those blue eyes. If you have brown eyes, you can wear any color. So the next key is that you want to find a shimmery shadow, something that has a little bit of shimmer to it. I'm going to go ahead and use the Triple Milled from Lipstick Boss in the shade Hollywood. And here is the application trick. You're going to use your finger and you're going to just grab some of that product. You're going to put it on the mobile part of your eyelid. Just kind of pack that on right here. All right. And then you can use another finger if you want, because now we're going to start to bring this up. We're going to blend it up into the crease area. Now you see I have a lot of space here, so I need to go higher. I can't just stop right there. You might have a little bit of space. However much space you have, you got to bring that shadow up, but don't bring it all the way up to the brow, okay? So the dimensions and the texture of the shadow are going to create a unique look to your eyes, regardless of what your eye shape is. So if you want to know what your eye shape is and how to apply makeup to your eye shape and the best colors, it's all in my Makeup Made Easy online course. There's information in the box below. Okay, going on, like I said, just gonna bring that all the way up like that. And then you're gonna finish with the mascara and you're good to go. It's one and done. Let me know if you give it a try. Comment below, like this video if it was helpful. Please subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.